Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel of Beauty Mirror. Welcome to another video. My name is Farwa. I hope you are doing well. I am so excited to share my passion for eye makeup tutorial with all of you. Today I create a blue smoky eye makeup look can be a stunning way to enhance your eyes. So you are ready? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an exciting eye makeup tutorial. Start with clean and moisturized skin. Fill in the eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder. Start at the inner corner of your brows and work your way outwards. I use Krylon Aqua Brows Gel and get brow with the eyebrows brushes. Then I applying a concealer to your upper and inner eyebrows and eyelid to help your eye makeup last longer. Take a matte, neutral or light brown eyeshadow shade and blend in into your outer corner and crease line using a fluffy blending brush. This will act as a transition shade and help blend the colors seamless later on.
I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart.
Use a black eyeshadow and apply it outer corner using a flat eyeshadow brush. This shade will act as a color for your smoky eye. Then blend it into your outer corner using a fluffy blending brush. Now pick a dark blue eyeshadow and apply it all over your eyelid using a flat eyeshadow brush and blend in into your eyelid using a finger. Apply the light brown eyeshadow shade and blend in into your inner lash line using a small brush. Applying the highlighter of your eyebrow bones area. To brighten up your eyes, you can apply a shimmery white eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eyes. Apply several coats of black mascara to your upper and lower lashes to add volume and length. Finish the look applying the pair of lashes and applying the kajal of your inner eye. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notification for my new videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.